What's up, OPM fam, man? It's your boy OPM Jonah, and I'm back with another video, man. Me and the gang got a big day today, man. We supposed to be having a little car meet. So down, me and the guys and plus some others from the PD supposed to be linking up with the cars, man, with the toys, bringing the toys out. You gonna go for a little ride though. You know what I'm saying? Got a little Stang out here though. Got a Scatty. Know what I'm saying? Waiting for the other guys though. We about to link up with them. I'm gonna be back with y'all though when we link up. Alright y'all, I'm back, man. This only summer though. This only summer bus though, man. This only boy got the cameras out. I'm telling you. Them boys ain't say that. Boy got them toys out, man. Got them toys out today, man. What up y'all boys? Got them toys out today, man. Little car meet. Tell them boy got the car, man. Tell them boy got the car. Got the car, boy. Got the car. I tell you. Mero motherfucker. No stains. Ain't nobody fucking with no stains, man. Nobody fucking with the Stangs, man.
So the first time we seen them, bro.
I been clean up.
Yeah, cool.
I gotta get a wash though.
Big bro.
Yo.
A&D, bro.
What's up?
That shit tough though. Ted. What up,
Boy, good. What's up, y'all, boy?
C-Ski. Some more cars supposed to be pulling up though, man. Oh yeah, that me, they can't. Oh shit. This one tough though. This probably about the hardest one out here though. Gonna count. What up, y'all boys?
What's up, Brody? Alright.
Oh yeah.
Shy, bro.
Shy, I'm Jonah.
Shy.
Yeah. What up, bro? No, somebody just got pulled in a mall parking lot. How the fuck you get pulled in a mall parking lot though? Fuck you got pulled for? Speeding? No damn way though. Going, man. 12 hot though. Y'all be safe out there.
Hey, you can tell though.
Told granddaddy to fuck with us, man. Them pulled up. What up, man? This tough, man.
What y'all boy got going on?
A little car meet. You might as well pull up with
I
it.
got my son back to school shopping.
Oh, for real?
It's on the film, right?
Yeah.
Where y'all gonna all post it at?
YouTube.
How can I follow y'all?
No. Look at 12 now. What's up, man?
Hey, so listen. Security notified me that they don't want you guys here.
Yeah.
You guys with you guys cars here?
What we doing?
They just don't want you guys here. Technically, it's loitering. Ain't up to me. Well, it is up to me.
We just all linking up and then we gonna ride out.
We ain't doing
We waiting on everybody.
All right, so.
We stopping the violence.
We ain't doing that. All right, so at this point, I did advise you guys to leave.
All right.
I'm going to leave. Your best bet is to leave, because then if he calls us, then we'll have to do a report, things like that.
For sure.
Just unnecessary stuff at that point. All
For
right?
sure.
I mean, possibly find out the parking lot, and maybe they won't call. But I mean, that's just what it is. All right.
Crazy.
Alright.
We ain't doing it wrong though.
For sure though, we about to down move though. You know what I'm saying?
All right, like I said, then wherever we go next, if they call, I can do the same thing. But
Alright. We just
y'all
keep
with
hopping.
them too?
Yeah.
Everybody do.
We'll tell them.
I'll just let them know, because I think he's going to just stand here and wait till you leave. So.
Alright, for sure. Appreciate.
Man.
Thanks, gentlemen.
What's up?
Unfortunately, you don't have permission for the GM. That's why we gotta ask you guys to take it someplace else.
What we
Yeah.
going wrong though?
You're on private property. This is a business. You can't be having a car thing here.
No, we not.
Yeah, we about to pull off and like, Timmy.
Can't do it, bro.
That's like saying though these cars.
You see those cameras right there?
So what we go in the
They're doing business.
So we can't.
They're going. You cannot sit out here doing what you're doing. You're distracting the crowd and everything else, bro.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You can't do that.
For sure.
Private property.
leaving the funeral.
It doesn't matter, bro. I'm doing it because the GM of the mall had told me to come over. Unfortunately, I was supposed to come over here and talk to you myself. It just happened. He was already here giving a ticket to another car.
For sure.
They killed two birds with one stone. Because that's the next thing she was going to be doing anyway, was calling the cops.
For sure.
I got to tell y'all to leave because she's going to... Look, I appreciate your cars and everything else too, but you're just doing it in the wrong spot because the place of business.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And that's the thing she's going to hit you with.
So we're just trying to stop the violence, bring everybody together.
No, but I hear you. I hear you. I have no problem with it.
Yes, sir.
I'll let y'all do it and everything else because I wish you was a spot to judge was a little bit further away.
Yeah.
That's all.
For sure.
Because they're complaining. They already called her. Now she's calling us.
All right. We're about to move ASAP for you.
All right.
All right, we about to get out of here.
Y'all
Skedaddle.
here.
For sure.
All right.
They say we gotta leave, y'all boys.
Y'all we're trying to go.
Back at the meetup spot, man. Scatty. OP on Joe. OP on Joe in the building, man. Feel me? Go fuck with him on the tube at Joe the Dime. My boy hit that first 1K on the first vid, man. Yeah. Damn, that be loud. Oh yeah. Them toys out, man. Let's get in there. Ain't no way we just got kicked out the mall parking lot, man. We trying to stop the violence, man. They be stopping the wrong damn thing, bro. What wrong though? Feel me? We promoting positivity, man. Trying to down, you know what I'm saying? But they don't appreciate that though. Besides though, we about to down change locations and shit. We just gonna keep hopping around though, you feel me? Like they tell us to move again? Cuz you gonna have to chase us at, you know? Take your ass on the high speed, I'm telling you. You feel me? I'm my man. Oh yeah, we got the bikes out here too now. We don't discriminate. We don't discriminate with the bikes, man.
I just left the crib, yo. I just left the crib though like 20 minutes.
Got the bikes with it too, man. What up, y'all boys?
Ain't these some nice cars?
We about to get kicked out again, bro? Again, bro. We about to get kicked out again. Look at them, Don't kick us out, no?
We ain't doing that.
We ain't doing nothing.
We getting complaints, so we got it.
We
You know how
ain't.
it is, man. Private property.
We stopping the violence.
Complaints about noise, man.
A noise? Oh, that muffler delete right there. Boy had a complaint about Dang, man. So what going on?
They complaining about noise?
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Damn.
And we came out here, sat back there for 10 minutes to see
Yeah.
if they were right, and I mean, you guys driving up and down here.
For sure.
There's noise. We don't ask you.
We deep too, man.
We finna go watch a movie.
That's time we about to go watch a movie, man.
Shit, y'all, man. They're trying to make us leave the goddamn parking lot and see.
But we can't do nothing. Cause we black. They done kicked us out again, man. We going again. OPM boys right there. We deep, man. What up, Moot? Tell you. No. It's our third spot, y'all. This is our third spot. Yeah, that night. Our third spot, man. Them muffler deletes go crazy. Okay then, stain gang.
Kick out again.
And we ain't done. People still pulling up. And we ain't done. People still pulling up. It might be the biggest car meet in South Carolina y'all playing though. You feel me? The Marrows, huh? Marrows go stupid.
What's up, guy?
Hold up. Yeah. What up, y'all boys?
What's up, boys?
What up, man?
What up, man?
You good? Yeah.
You know that. I ain't gonna wash my cup from that, you know.
Oh my God, they can see me?
Yeah.
Hey
Flirt that
y'all.
came out here, man. Fuck with us, man.
We out here, you know. Y'all see it.
Tip.
Y'all see all the cars. Yeah. Y'all add me on Instagram, Wanda_Queen. Okay, bye.
Mo coming in. Lowe's coming in. Ooh. Yeah, Marion.
Yeah. Damn, I think I saved that class.
Yeah. We got going over here. Got them Hemis out. Yo, listen.
They wanna hate on the kid, cause a nigga be popping the shit. Shooters be like where you live, if you try to tell this on my wrist. I'm undecided on the drink, which one to walk or the tryst. I tell one of my bitches to pick, it don't matter cause nigga we lit. Keto, Mio, I give the baddie the meter. She gon' put on her knee, tell her eat her. Got her ice on my neck, it's a freezer. Hey, how you hit on your bro, you can cheat her. She not fucking, I ain't cuffing, so I guess I'll leave her. Sorry baby, but nice to meet ya. Be real with you niggas. Y'all music is mid, but I got some clout. It is what it is with you niggas. I put my dick out, she open her mouth, then she texts my kids, little nigga. My paper en route, but I start a pop when it don't come, I quit it deliver. I got a new bitch for the days of the week. I was told time is money, so I guess I'm cheap. I got so sick and tired of her playing with me that I said fuck it and fuck the best friend right to sleep. Then she French, she asking me what is weed. She look glitz on my neck like a Krispy Kreme. Got it down for the count and a pedigree. When I tap out, but there is no referee. Only for once now I got her feed and start with it. Then she overeating. Wolf and she cold down, really a demon. Yeah, she big on her knee like she seen Jesus. Ew, freaky little bit. They wanna hit on the kid, cause a nigga be popping the shit. Shooters be like where you live, if you try to tell this on my wrist. I'm undecided on the drink, which one to walk or the tryst. I tell one of my bitches to pick, it don't matter cause nigga we lit. Keto, Mio, I give the baddie the meter. She gon' get on her knee, tell her eat her. Got her ice on my neck, it's a freezer. How you hit on your bro, you can cheat her. She not fucking, I ain't cuffing, so I guess I'll leave her. Sorry baby, but nice to meet ya. This shit right here, too easy. Can't slip, oh no, my dudes need me. They stuck coming straight from the city. Know the bitches get left to pee with it. Don't ask who in my bed right now, cause I don't know. I think her name Sydney, a Kayla, a Coco, a Jasmine, a Kiko. I don't know, I got too many hoes. When I put her on cash, she go slow-mo. Leave a nut on her face and she smile for the photo. With a civet like a knife, I got us a photo. Damn, Nigga that say Civic, man, that say Toyota. Diamonds hitting with a range of color. Couldn't tell between a box of Crayolas. Not at that show, but I'm rolling loud. Started on Earth, I get to the clouds. It's a rap, nigga throwing the towel. My time is now, cause a nigga been pitching for a while. Oh, God.
We out here, man.
Bro, audio. Oh. Huh?
Oh, God, though. Nah, he was on in Florence, though. We out here, man. We deep as hell at the beach. That shit's airway, man. That shit's not on us, it's in us. Feel me? 843 shit. Dollar Town Dollar Town specifically, though. Got the hood on, what's wrong with him? Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, and
So look, right here, we got cold air intake,
okay then.
supercharger. I got long tube headers. I got, what other mods make your car faster? I got a tune, I got a Whipple. Goddamn.
Headers.
This is a V10, this is not a V8, this is a V10. I got long tube headers. This battery was 5,000.
Oh shit, what else?
Goddamn, we got this right here. I ordered it from Mopar. It was 1,600.
Okay
My
then.
tires, they was 8,000.
Man.
Her, she was free.
Man. What?
Watch who you jump.
Another arrow right here. Niggas be trying to show off with that slide. You know the scat.
Boats couldn't even get a chance. Barrow stole the show.
That stain over there, man. You see that stain, man?
Now I still got that Superman shit on his gas.
Yeah. Okay then. Hit it in. Hey, alright. Alright. Alright, huh? Don't hit it, huh?
You about to crash.
He got on his hood on G. Mercedes, mother. Had him on the ground too.
3 hours before I got there, he said when I broke into the dealership, stole 3 keys and took the cars. And they caught him like an hour later.
Got them toys out today. Got them toys out today. Got them toys out today. Got them toys out today, man. They don't know nothing about that 843, man. They gonna find out soon. Man, that joint blew me though. Damn, but we still out here, man. The game deep right now. I'm telling you, that shit deep. We got kicked out of 4 spots, bro. Cause these boys, as soon as we pull up, them boys start spinning instantly, going in for the kill, boy. I'm telling you. I don't know what wrong with them boys. Now we about to hit the strip right quick. The Melrose pull up D every time. Okay then. Go ahead, BMW. Damn, that shit sound beautiful. We out here. The best way. I need that.
He got a paper tag. I can show his shit.
Oh.
Oh, the chef. What you got? I get it later.
Easy, bro.
That be beautiful.
Y'all boys shit sounds good.
We ain't even finished shit right here though. We just waiting on y'all so we gotta get together.
Yeah, y'all finna walk in.
Y'all boy be splitting up and shit.
We gonna all go back down at the same time. I'm saying though, we cool, you know?
Shit, yeah.
They pack out there?
I'm watching every single one.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
That bitch
He be rude as fuck.
He remind me of Tree Body. Tree Body on
You be watching him?
on Quan. Hell yeah.
So the guy that nigga funny.
That bitch about 3 cars. Fuck no. I ain't jacking that shit. That bitch, he swiping.
We
swiping.
Who shit it is? If you see my damn video, hey, comment. Who this? Mopar.
Yeah, on the 392 on the ass, that shit kind of.
Too much that day. We already got
Hell no, that shit hard. Don't hate, no. Don't hate.
That bitch say 397.
Don't hate, no.
Bitch got the same car.
Watch who you joke with, think that they joking, they really two-faced. Send one call your homie, tell on you quick, why sell, but they too snake. Stacking bread on a Monday, bread on a Wednesday, can't forget Tuesday. That bad high as hell, I'm in cockpit, start feeling nauseous, give me a water to drink. Oh, I said now I'm good, switch it back to codeine. The bitches I'm fucking, you could only dream. Blow like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Get stung by this chopper, Red Bull give you wings. 10 piece in my pocket, all in blue cheese. See a 10 in the face, but what's in them jeans? Ain't come here to play, we not fucking our league. When you ready, just make an appointment. Dinner time on my neck, this spaghetti refuse to be a disappointment.